Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change resolution in CapCut. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your CapCut app and then log in onto your account and click onto the project where you want to go ahead and change the resolution. So you could create a new one as well and just import in the files that you want to use. Now to import a file, click onto import button in here and choose in the different files that you want to add onto your device. Or you could simply drag and drop the videos in here and add them onto the timeline. To add them onto the timeline, simply click onto the blue icon for that. You could also simply drag and drop it in there. To change the resolution of this clip, you'll have to click onto this one first and click onto ratio in here. Right after, we need to choose custom in here. And as you can see under resolution in here, we could go ahead and choose the resolution for this one. So if you want to go ahead and do it 4K, we're going to go ahead and change this. Then we're going to add this to 8. Right after, you'll just have to click on to save. So once the resolution is already changed in there, just make sure as well when you try to export here onto the video, if you click onto the export button in here, there is also another option for you to choose in the resolution for that. So as you can see, it did automatically adjusted to 4K. So you could also choose to change this as per your liking. And that is how easy you change the resolution in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.